Let's say you're applying for jobs in more than one field, maybe marketing and education, or finance and project management. The core of your resume stays the same, but small shifts in wording, emphasis, and structure can help you speak directly to each industry. In this lecture, we'll walk through how to quickly adjust your summary, skills, and experience sections so your resume feels like a fit, without spending hours on rewrites. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to refocus your summary to match a specific job type, highlight relevant skills for different industries, reframe the experience so it aligns with the job you're applying for, tailoring your summary. Your summary is the first thing most employers read. Instead of using a one-size-fits-all paragraph, adjust it based on the role you're targeting. Example 1. Marketing role. Creative marketing graduate with experience in content strategy, SEO, and campaign analytics. Example 2. Project coordinator role. Organized communicator with experience managing timelines, coordinating teams, and tracking project goals. Same person, just a different angle. A strong summary doesn't try to cover everything. It highlights what's most relevant for this role right now, adjusting your skills section. Skills are easy to tweak, but easy to get wrong. Don't just list everything you know. Focus on the tools, traits, and abilities that match the job description. Example: if the job post mentions CRM software and you've used Salesforce, add it. If it lists collaboration, highlight a team-based skill like cross-functional communication. You should always reorder your skills based on what's most relevant to the job you're applying for. Reframing experience for a new role. Sometimes you've done the work, but under a different job title. That's okay. Use language that bridges the gap between what you've done and what the new role requires. Original: gave tours to new students and answered campus questions. Revise for a customer service role. Assisted dozens of new students weekly, answering questions and providing a welcoming experience, skills that translate directly to customer support. A work stays the same. You're just presenting it through a different lens and adjusting it to the title and description of the job you're applying for.